In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL handshake error in Cloudflare. If you're seeing a handshake error, it usually means the secure connection between your browser, Cloudflare, and your origin server isn't completing. This can be caused by protocol mismatches or redirect behavior that trips up the negotiation. I'll walk you through a quick troubleshooting path inside Cloudflare's dashboard to clear it up. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in to the dashboard. From your list of sites, click the specific domain that's showing the SSL handshake error. This takes you to the domain's overview and settings. Next, head to the SSL TLS section. This is where Cloudflare manages certificates and connection protocols for your domain. Inside SSL TLS, click on Edge Certificates. This tab controls how Cloudflare's edge servers present and negotiate certificates with visitors, which is directly related to handshake behavior. Scroll down through the edge certificate settings until you see the options for TLS 1.3 and always use HTTPS. Temporarily toggle off TLS 1.3. Disabling TLS 1.3 forces connections to use an older, widely compatible protocol like TLS 1.2. which can resolve handshake issues with certain origin servers, older libraries, or middleware that don't fully support TLS 1.3 yet. Keep in mind this is a compatibility-focused change that can help isolate the problem and restore access. Right below or nearby, toggle off Always Use HTTPS. When Always Use HTTPS is on, Cloudflare automatically redirects all HTTP traffic to HTTPS. If there's a certificate or protocol mismatch happening before the secure session is fully established, that forced redirect can contribute to an error loop. Turning it off for now helps you confirm whether the redirect policy is part of the issue. With those two settings adjusted, move to the caching section in the left navigation. Open caching, then click Configuration. Here, you want to make sure any stale rules or cached redirects aren't lingering. Click Purge Everything. This clears the entire cache at Cloudflare's edge, so visitors get a fresh response and the most current SSL and redirect behavior. Note that purging everything may cause a brief performance dip as content is recached, but it's important for eliminating old responses that can prolong handshake problems. That's it. After these changes, Cloudflare will update quickly, and your domain should present a cleaner, more compatible handshake path. If the error was tied to protocol negotiation or enforced redirects, this sequence typically clears it. Give the settings a moment to propagate, and you should see your site loading securely without the handshake error.